Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Jay Chung. Today I'm going to share with you how you can mass create design for your social media, for example. Okay, how should I put it in terms of mass design? It is, put it this way: you have a templates of the design and you want to create like 50, 100, 300 similar posters or similar design with different tags within. The simplest and the nearest example that I can put it here is, if you look at the Instagram, there are quite lots of profile that's actually sharing daily quotes, motivation quotes, or some something about quotes within the picture. So how they actually create it, I'm going to review and share with you how you can do it too by yourself. Let's go. Well, when I put 5 minutes here, actually I hesitated a while because basically the whole process is about 2 minutes. The extra 2 minutes buffer is because OpenAI ChatGPT might be slow sometimes if you didn't upgrade, right? So let me show you how to do it. Step 1, go to ChatGPT, type something like, ask something relevant, okay? Be specific as possible. Okay, after you get that, I'm sure you have this, I generated quite some while ago. So what you need to do next is you just go to Google Sheet. I'm sure you have a Google account, right? Okay, just paste the what we call the item that you receive. Well, it's all here. Okay, so the tips here is when you actually ask ChatGPT to give you the quotes, perhaps you want to put how many words each quote you have, so that you can actually ask the method or design to play around it. Okay, I want to show you the raw one, without prepare, except this ChatGPT, because it sometimes really takes a long time to generate such a script. So that's why I preset. But this one is very straightforward because you know how to create this, right? Okay, Google Sheet, same thing. I believe it's pretty straightforward for you, and it's very simple to just start a blank Google Sheet, rename your sheet, and then just copy paste. Okay, it's very simple. This part, right, I might actually can put it this way. Okay, let me reset, then color I will black, so you will see like a normal, right? Okay, so you have your sheet ready. So next, go to your Canva. Okay, if you don't have, say, sign up an account, okay, use the link that I actually show you. Then for now, I'm going to demonstrate what is it's about mass design. The Canva, using Canva to came out motivation quotes design in a mass. So I'm going to put motivation here. I'm going to do it right now. Okay, I would prefer something that generic and with such thing. Okay, so let me try it this way, shall we? Click on it. I'm going to customize this template. I come in here. Well, you have your tools here. Okay, it's okay, just leave it there. So right now what we're going to do is, I adjust the zoom so that you can actually view clearly. So right now I have this is remain, this remain. This one also I want to change. Maybe I just change to my own website, right? Okay, as simple as this. Let's say, just for example, maybe I want to add a logo for myself. Let's say I'm going to put this instead. The number. Okay, hide it. As simple as that. Okay, it might be too small, so I zoom up a bit. Okay, now what you're going to do next is, you have a text box here, and if you right click on the text box, you shall see this guy called link. So when you click on it, it will actually link to other pages. So what you can do right now here is you try to look for apps. Okay, on your left hand side, Is it just apps? Let me double check. Okay, I'm not going to edit this part. Yeah, there's something called bulk edit, bulk create. Okay, if I never have this, you go to I think is apps. Scroll down. Okay, did you see this guy here called bulk create? So go to apps, look for bulk create. Okay, click on it. Here you can actually so-called upload your CSV or enter data manually. So I'm going to upload CSV, but before that I'm going to export my Google Sheet here, you know, download as CSV, download. Okay, done. Next part, I'm going to upload the CSV. I'm going to look for here. Yep, I'm going to see this guy here. I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to upload a simple CSV file where it will actually recall this guy here. Okay, so one data field. Aha. One data field. Right click in the element to connect it to the data below, right? So you right click and connect data. Do you see what I'm doing here? Let me repeat one more time. Once you're done upload here, okay, you're going to connect the data to your element. So how you're going to do it? You go to your text box, select it. Once you select it and right click on it, you shall see this guy called connect data is appear. Mouse over in it, and then you shall see this guy. Okay, let me do it one time so you can see connect. Aha, it's done. So what's next? I'm going to click continue. Now I have all the data here, okay, pull from the CSV file or the Google Sheet file, okay, they are exported. I'm going to generate 46 pages on spot. So click and voila, it give you a few seconds, you shall have this 46 right away. So right now, if you look at this, I have all the codes created in this way. So what's next is, I believe you know what you do. You can simply click share. You know, you can share on social if you want, or you can download it and upload to your social media in a scheduled way. And there you go, you mass design in 5 minutes. I'm not sure whether what I show you is pretty cool or pretty awesome or pretty creepy at the same time. You know, as a user, that when you browse through the Instagram, you feel like, oh, this is nice. When you double tap on it, sometimes you didn't know that it's actually very easy to create this kind of design nowadays. And yep, that's all from me. Well, please click like, subscribe to my channel. Click a link so that you get notified the next time I load a similar video. Okay, I really want to say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy this video, and again, my name is Jay Chong. Thank you for watching Technology Simplicity YouTube channel, and hope to see you again. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.